Yo, Ghana man adesheman. Ye frem Kofi Edu. O frem Ejekwa Abrantie. AKA Bidam. Be ma me ho fe na me di ne de. Anase adi mu duro. Sa pepepepepepepepe. Na me ba mo nchen wie ya enye bone kwan so. Sede mo yi odo kese ede ma eku a animanimu ya abeda Ghana ekwatifi anafo apie ni atoye fam a yato ni din say the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first no eyeku a ye di ba na enche kura betimi aba ba ye amanukuo etimi aba ba boa oman Ghana mrantie ne mabawa na awofo soso omobreso etimi ate free say mrantie ne mabawa ewo ntwetwede epe adwuma ye eye nokre.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so bofre me adwoa searching.
One year party to tell you. Why would you Agya. Emfatao. You were telling what it any anybody. Pet in your Muslim for some. I have been watching you from afar. I dear Bakom who say, oh, you'll be a what title for in your Muslim for power. Yes. We are Union Macam for be now, we are tribalistic, typical tribal. I repeat. Okay, Union Macam to force and to mind force and to fully be now. When we are typical tribalistic, you are the head of them. Because, I could never talk to you. I don't fear this year with you. Never in good fee. Nako never talk. Na Busiana aqua tu. Na ya di Agya. Unia events and white events and Quasian Parliament. Salinku. Uni Busia. Near Salunka Bay. Abidia di Ena and Fuenia. A young master who. Over 2 months of Boku Jahufro. Abi see the steamer Busian say also a book of Jahufro. Every time I can will be all my baby in my. It was out. And yes, how I could hear a toffee and a prayer band of Saka. As a common sense man, as a Yanseni, yes, so Yanse, I didn't yes, Yewi. It is a way you be a Jaco, also do NPP party pan and your selfish interest, and yes, it can, and yet you will reject. And a rare love party in the Wakumaswa. I don't think that you can behave like this. Obia what I'm not sure baby. I met many video. And I'm sure no. Or say can no connector or better so that about you. And I was shocked. Now okay, that comment, you know. Many man was nice was capacity and then TikTok won't do some come watch it. I can't no come. Now about me evu. And if you hear all these people calling the base now, they are full of evil, wicked. They don't love NPP. They just pretend to love NPP. It means you are the same like them. So to MPP near Kobato, who candidate near, and doesn't mean that for my party for say, what they were fighting here, I could never have told you, near the Union Saloon Kakuso. Was the Ampa man Nintino. Make offer a cover of your floor. I may see you on one of quote years and Lunkus a best. Doesn't make sense to you. Eja. Tribalism does because we must say who are there for here. One person over Tiba. I don't know. Because 2 years ago, Kennedy area, no sign I was no I hear power is a power chance. I feel you now can some poto and no more and I'm good at Ziminashi. Meanwhile, I just enemy was second now. If you dare, yeah, you may expose you one day. And I'm saying, carry, and I'm good at Minashi, yeah, and I'm never doing poor. More ungrateful. And yes, I did it. They say, when I paint, I bet Thomas was something paint. We are two totally ungrateful human beings. Some of them, some of you guys, typical ungrateful. Because so prepared to nipa, let's say, the bimpo next year. who could be party for I'm go for party. I will fight it your party tell me yeah NPP because of some position. The way what is the motive behind? You are calling people from NPP because who campaigning my NPP the last time, and you are there. So be out candidate into the way. We is here. One day, second, the post on this also. If you are, but we na mamu. Na mo de mo candidate ni ba. Do you think say you no be? You go for muku e nkuntia. Adwembone ohun e ba create mu to mu. Enya de papa. E mo yen, enya de papa. Enya de papa. Because say Baumia me can play. Baumia ni akania. I don't think say ka work yaku who be in a situation say or ya kani na uni akani enyi no. Who fight it ya no. See. Say Baumia akania. Me yin say ga mai ha dia wi. Because Baumia not na. And at the same time I was Muslim. Intino side title na that so now obeli you see yourself say we are popular, we are bigger than him. Intino I was so try your best. I say when you can in any different party no. Yenya said the beya can the party be free system no. Ni beya can ni no ba. Aja Baumia oba we no we oba saba. When we I guess nyamia to suffer. Who tell you NPP delegate omonya more to them they will never ever change their mind or their mindset because the who the moye in there delegate no be at obi ehwe delegate be will me say behind them the motive behind all this in moye every delegate be will me say behind the motive behind he knows until the way enye bibia sebe me ameti eyem nwa but adia wo de otan e show mu no tenye otan pa na wo so otan do kama mu ba omi a ene ya kan ni department ni se ko to be na kan fo mi ne ko e ana wo mi aka ni ye ya wo mpa wo no da wo mu a omo afo mu the base wo mu omo so mu dikene de tini na typical tribalistic yeah eto abawi di odi mani mu se mu ntwa so okay kana sem on the car no to say the week as can go be ewu no bi be see the five go see na ye see na ye nim ya tamu ya mene sem ne ya trust ye twa mo de mo yoba but for you ejaku go to comment section and read all your messages. You can see say sometimes mubi a night mumba ye di akoma pa of a pa edi machi dom no
same way the moment ya obeto aba e di NDC aba power pe the next agenda say election fufuru edi nanim obawene asa na NDC trimu po nyina ne say tu ahini si ahini fu ewo NPP mu ombekọ akoto aba ama ida Kennedy Japan ana brana champon because enuoma omode follow for the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia 2024 election ekoye no NDC ni mpefe se onsent mi mfa meye campaign bi gidi a omo ankasa mabunu nya na omumu so omo ba na omanya nnwuma aye no ene sa gidi ni ho bi gidi a Ghana fo nya no NDC aban na owo opposition mu agi twikoto abama no NDC ni mpefe se bosha omo she Ghana fo no asat now omuntimi deliver bosha ni mu ba kokora entinya de ahokeka Ghana fo de koto aba no 2028 Ghana fo be san asore e de san ahokeka na koto aba mo Women's Bank ani ase adeba enkoko aye beche enua aye bedua 24-hour economy 1.5 year aye koi ebepemo ne ebia ni wa NDC aban atimi atu ho anamo ni nyina NDC mpanimfo kwa asetena omuni mpefe se all this promise na omo share Ghana fo no ebetumi affect omo 2028 Bawumia de club we preko ontimi meka biem Pualu gudan Baomia de husika ontimi meka biem. Esremu ntokwa Baomia ontimi meka biem. Enoma binimu omode fore Baomia no. Sa agenda no ntimi nya adwuma biem. Ti na omu penipa foforo. Ni yasa soa agenda foforo afore no. Ni ayedede de abagi tumi. NPP so ani da ho hunu se da bi. Ya ton Baomia ama na drum pempensuo bi Ghana fo aya welen se omo beto no. Enti ebesan ya maintain Baomia na omode Baomia ba. Say mene wo kasai. Omu di sa party ya tisumu. Adokodoko de enya so mfaso. Untimi nyi sabi Kennedy wa kompre kwa Japan film. Ena untimi nyi alankodwo kiramatin film. Ni nyina ne se NDC aban ehye agenda foforo e de yasisa ampanimfo yi so. The base na ayete no. Enya sa ampanimfo etirimu pono o madwene no. Eya agenda bi a yehye esi wo mo so. True contract bi ade mu omo sika no mu bi ade mu omo ni sika bi a yetwa mu omo ene ye de hyehyɛ si omo so de aba akuafo bo a ye hye omo anya adwuma ye bepeja akuafo kokko mu 7000 atutu abula mu omo anya adwuma Women's Bank anya adwuma bo hye omo hye Ghana fo nyina anya adwuma atro omo di ye anya adwuma wona ne ye se ye beche omo atum omo di sika afa sika e wo krom anyina di Ghana fo abehunu sasa na ye nkwase abɔhye ene omo hye Ghana fo anya adwuma enti ye nhyehyɛ agenda foforo na ni nyina ne se ye ankasa NDC fo ye nim ye chidi fo se omo de sabi utwa ne bati kro beto aba na sama ye na emo nkrofo no mu bia sabi ye beto aba onyina bonkum nyina nifa na wono de ohwe ne ye kɔɔso election foforo a ye twa mu na wagina so ato na aba no sa nkrofo no ye nimpefese ye create third party sa third party nkrofo mienu ayabay every NPP mu na bae eye dan omu wa chidifo na chitafo wo NPP mu enti the more na omu vote ni divide no ebe go against NPP party ama NDC ya take sa advantage no asa. That's the main strategy. The base ya eba esugina bibia ni hobie. The best intimi merene sabi election wo krom ha nemom eye NDC agenda omode ba ya wie ba omia ho adwuma ye ntimi mfa atoro mfaro ne bibia ne ho ebetimi aye enkramofo nkwade ye koka kire omo se Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia onye kramoni oton ode club ena repreko no sankwase asem ye ntimi nkoka ne nzongo bie eno ma ye kone na musiremu kan ye ntimi nkoka bie enti yansati agenda foforo agenda ne nyina ne se yemmo yenshan krofo binu machi no mun create third party na yankasa yenyusu ye communicators no enya ho adwuma ma wo mo na divide NPP for vote ton asa mezi mi square me koye no me koye NDC party na da ho na ho adesua na me kosua ye NDC ubusa John Dramani Mahama no kro be ka se akwada ne de nya mianim no kure ne ye ye tirimo adwene ne ye susu ne ye hye ye kokoa mu ye dware ye dwaye ne ye bia wo de babo ntene bibia ni ho the base bibia ni ho ne me ka kire wi tirimo ni nyina no tirimo ni nyina na me ka kire wo ne no enti no ma ekosu nyina me se ne ye hunu si ye hunu ajakoi ubehunu nkroforo chen sei hyehyɛ akire enya sampanimfo na amu musiko NDC party bekwa akowurawura nkrofo no mu bi wo krom ha mu edisika pulu omo ababontene amomu adi NPP ho adanse no abedane Judas etia party no. That's next agenda billions of dollars any ade be mo omadi kwa ye wo krom ha. That's new strategy ever. Entimi ya to ababa omianya ya na namse ayeka enoma strategy foforo beba na nyametia sidie na nyankopon na yen Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. He is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Inshallah. Nyameti ase. Yasu ya nemu beko no boot for boot. Aya dwuma den pampe. Ama Bawumia bedi mampani. Omo ha unyina ano no. Ne vice presidency aba aswo enkwade eko suku kwa ene wote wodemo electricity ene nuoma bia yenya free Bawumia so yigate enoma bebre Ghana card we oma husa Bawumia adwene ne purely digitalization entia ma ne kwan na meseye party no enti kwan bia befa so ne yema ba obi amedi o man we yanimu ye befa so na moboa ye mu bi moboa ye be preachi enoma pa e wo ba omia mu ne ne ba omia betimi aye ne ba omia tiri mu pa enya nkwase abɔhye enye bɔhye hunu emeti akuafo kokoo so emfa akuafo kokoo nkoto private jet na sabi ebe boa Ghana timamufo ne adwadifo ne akuafo na apagya oman we ede yasi benane eno ho adwuma ne yebeye bibia ni ho ebetimi aka ya hyeda me say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia inshallah he is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Nyametiasi.